Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Roblox settings and go to Security to enable two-step verification. Tap the option to set up an authenticator app or mobile SMS as your second factor. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan a QR code or add a phone number for verification. When setup completes, Roblox displays one-time backup codes in a dialog box for account recovery. Record and secure the backup codes immediately before closing the dialog to avoid losing access later. Keep the Authenticator app updated and test signing in once to confirm setup succeeds. Save backup codes offline and in at least 2 secure locations for redundancy. Store one printed copy in a locked drawer or one encrypted USB in a safe place. Alternatively, add a backup code entry to a reputable password manager with strong master security. Avoid storing backup codes in email, plain text files, or shared cloud folders to prevent account compromise. Treat backup codes as sensitive credentials and never share them with friends or strangers. If you must write codes down, use indelible ink and store the paper securely. Use a backup code only when you cannot access your Authenticator app or receive SMS. Enter the code at the Roblox login prompt when prompted to verify your identity and regain access. Remember that each backup code is single-use, so mark or destroy the printed code after using it. After any code use, return to security settings and regenerate backup codes to replace used or exposed ones. If you lose all codes, revoke lost devices and contact Roblox support for account recovery help. Regularly rotate backup codes whenever you change devices or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.